Gibson. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy bake sausage manicotti. I have never made this before, so we will find out together whether this is good or not. The prep time is about 30 minutes and the cooking time is about 1 hour, so let's go. So I need Alfredo sauce, marinara sauce, I need our manicotti shells. So down here I need pecorino cheese, Parmesan cheese, our Italian style chicken sausage, our string cheese, and our shredded mozzarella cheese. Okay, we're all set. Okay, I just started preheating the oven to 350. Now we have to grease the pan. Canola spray. You have to cut these chicken sausages long ways until we can get them to fit inside one of the manicotti shells. As you can see, we have a little bit of extra scraps. That will also be put into a shell at the end, those scraps. We have our Alfredo sauce and we're going to pour it over our dish. You need 8 mozzarella sticks split in half and to put in between your dish. Now we add marinara, pour it evenly over the top. Add 2/3 cup water to the almost empty marinara sauce. Shake, take the lid off, and pour around the perimeter of your dish. This will help cook the manicotti while it bakes. It will turn into steam and cook. You need 2 cups of freshly shredded mozzarella, precisely measured, by the way. I'm going to add some extra pecorino cheese because, well, why not? This cheese is awesome, so we're going to have extra. And then we're also going to have fresh shredded Parmesan cheese. Season to your taste. I like Dano's seasoning. If you know, you dare know. Now cover and foil. One hour later. Look at that. Wow. It was delicious. It is basically it's pretty much like lasagna, but the sausage also gives it much more flavor.
Would you make it again?
Yeah, definitely.
I guess it gets a thumbs up.
Stamp of approval.